StarLab stands for Space Technology for Autonomous and Robotic Systems Lab. At the StarLab, we have expertise in orbital robotics in terms of 3D perception and navigation. This is extremely important technology to enable applications such as satellite servicing or assembly of large space telescope.
In this orbital test beds, we're using visual grasping of targets on orbit, where we're investigating how a robot could be autonomously grasp a satellite or a part of a space debris from visual input. And we're also using robotic grippers, hands.
Shadow Robots is a robotics technology development company. Shadow Robot hands are one of the most advanced robotic hands that are currently available in the market. StarLab is offering us the opportunity to use their mock-up environments and also the research facilities to test our robotic hands in various space scenarios.
The collaboration with Shadow Robotics will really enable grasping and manipulation orbits with arbitrary objects in terms of varying size, mass, and shape. And this really enlarged the capability of the end-to-end system that we are trying to demonstrate.